Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Sam and I'm a realtor and business owner here in Texas. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 different apartments. I'm going to walk you through the different amenities, and hopefully this is going to be helpful if you're deciding to move to Dallas. In recent months, there's been a huge influx of people moving to Dallas for the first time from bigger cities like New York, LA, due to the pandemic. And so my hope is that this video is going to help those people that are thinking about moving to Texas, and maybe you don't know what living in Texas would be like. I know I had my own idea of what Texas would be like before I moved here, and with my experience living here, I've loved every minute of it. I don't think there's any other state that's better than Texas. I mean, I know that there's perks to living in California and New York and all these other places. Maybe because my family also lives here. I don't know. I just really love this state. In the last few months, we've seen a huge influx of people moving to Texas for the first time due to this pandemic. People have realized that they can live anywhere in the world. And so there's been thousands, if not millions of people moving to other states here in the US. And my hope is that this video gets to the people who are thinking about moving to another state, maybe Texas. And hopefully this video is going to be helpful in your decision-making process. All right, that's enough talking. Let's get into this video. Okay, so the first apartment I'm going to show you guys is going to be the most affordable one of the 3 options. As I said earlier, all of these apartments are either in downtown or near downtown area. This first one is located near North Park Mall, which, if you don't know the area, is a huge shopping mall here in Dallas. It's a 3-minute drive from North Park, and it's located near grocery stores like Whole Foods, Costco, Trader Joe's, and there's gas stations and a lot of restaurants and just a lot of stuff in walking distance to the apartment complex, which I really like. This particular location is awesome because of how conveniently located it is. And if you don't have a car, that's not going to be an issue because you can just bike or walk everywhere. So this first unit is 775 square feet, and it's what the property manager calls an upgraded unit. What that means is that it's been recently remodeled, so you're getting upgraded stainless steel, energy efficient appliances and other modern features throughout the entire apartment. The unit comes with a cozy fireplace, laminate floors, granite countertops, and although the living room is a bit small, it doesn't feel cramped because of all the light and windows in the unit. Like I said earlier, all the appliances in the upgraded units are stainless steel. You get a washer and dryer included in the base rent. The bedroom is a nice size. You can fit a king size or a queen size bed in there, and it has a nice walk-in closet. I also really like the size of the bathroom and how it's not connected to the bedroom. So if you have any guests over, they're not having to go to your bedroom to use the bathroom, which is nice. As far as the layout of the unit, although it's not an open concept, it flows really well and it doesn't feel cramped when you're physically in the apartment. My favorite part about this complex is the massive man-made lake that runs throughout the middle of the property. This unit has a lakefront view that is peaceful, and you can really picture yourself drinking a coffee in the morning on the balcony, and I really like this view. The rent for a unit like this starts at about $12.25 per month, and that does not include electricity, water, or the utility. For those, you pay separately depending on your usage. The whole property is gated, so you will need a code to get in, and I also noticed a lot of security cameras on the property, which is great. There's a gym on site, and I also noticed Amazon lockers. If you order something from Amazon, you can just get it delivered to your locker. As far as parking, I noticed a lot of free parking spaces, and covered parking spaces can be reserved for a fee per month. Overall, I think this would be a great option for someone who's looking for a budget-friendly option on the outskirts of downtown. Of course, this is not the only option you can get. There are other affordable options around this area too. But just as an overall package, I think this is a good deal. For the second unit, I wanted to show you guys a middle of the price range option. This unit is located in the Knox-Henderson area, which a lot of my friends live in. I really like this area because of how walkable it is. This is the same area that the flagship Apple store is located, and there are a lot of restaurants and bars and businesses and just things to do post-COVID, of course. This apartment complex is in close proximity to Highland Park and University Park neighborhoods, so you get access to all the shops and parks in those neighborhoods, and you're not too far from the Highland Park Village, which is an outdoor shopping center that has stores like Celine, Tom Ford, Chanel, Fendi, Valentino, Harry Winston, Cartier, Hermes, I mean, you name it, it's there. All the fancy stores. All right, so let's get into the unit. This unit is 875 square feet. I love these dark cabinets. You get state-of-the-art modern Whirlpool appliances, lots of kitchen counter space with this detached island that has a deep farmhouse sink. There's lots of space to entertain in here, hardwood floors everywhere, and I really like the layout of this common area. I feel like this would be a really cozy place to entertain. The only thing I'm not a fan of is the shape of this bedroom. It's kind of an awkward shape, but the good news is that they have many other floor plans, so if you don't like this shape, you have different styles you can choose from. My favorite thing about this apartment is the bathroom. It's massive. If you share a bathroom with a significant other, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife, whoever, getting ready at the same time will never be an issue again because you have 2 sinks, a walk-in shower, and a tub. There's also a massive double door walk-in closet, so you never have to leave your bathroom to change, which is convenient. Lots of storage space in the cabinets, which of course we like. Washer and dryer are included in the base rent. There's a huge balcony that overlooks the pool area in this model. The patio doors have eco-friendly window treatments, which helps to regulate the temperature of the apartment, and that's going to help with the electric bill. This property has a nice sized gym with everything you could possibly need to work out. There's a resort style pool area, pet washing station, parking garage, private clubhouse with a full-size kitchen and couches which you can reserve. And I also like that there's security gates and cameras everywhere. The rent in this building varies, but for the unit we looked at, the price per month is $1,602. That does not include utilities. Those are charged separately depending on your usage. This unit would be perfect for someone who's looking to live closer to downtown, but maybe you don't want to live right in the middle of the city, which is completely understandable. That city life is not for everyone. So for the third option, I wanted to show you guys what it would be like to live in the heart of downtown Dallas. The unit that we're going to be looking at is in a high-rise building located right in the middle of everything in downtown. It's a modern 951 square foot luxury apartment, and this building has valet parking and a doorman. This apartment is going to be on the higher end of the price range, but it's not too ridiculously expensive. The lobby is really impressive and the staff here was really nice, which I really appreciate. All of the front doors of these units face the inside of the building, so you kind of feel like you're walking through the hallways of a luxury hotel. I noticed that all the hallways were clean and quiet, which is perfect. So getting into the unit, as soon as you walk in, this is the view you see. 14-foot ceilings, hardwood floors, marble countertops, and the kitchen has state-of-the-art Maytag appliances. I love that in addition to having this huge 3-door fridge, they also include a wine cooler, which of course if you don't drink like me, you can put whatever you want in it. There's a deep farmhouse sink right in the middle of the attached kitchen island, and it's facing the living room, so you can watch TV or listen to music while cleaning. These appliances are all touchscreen and I love how well made they are. The kitchen cabinets are all white, which makes the kitchen feel bright and clean. I love white kitchens, but they can be a pain to clean, but I like how these are glossed over, so it's pretty easy to clean up. This unit comes with a Nest thermostat, so you can control the temperature on your phone, and it also has a full-size washer and dryer. There's also this extra coat closet in the living area. My favorite thing about this unit is the open concept. Everything feels super spacious. You can fit a dining table, couch, bar cart, whatever you want, and you get to enjoy this view of downtown, which is just breathtaking. We are currently standing on the 23rd floor of this building, and you can see the American Airlines Center and other prominent buildings in the Dallas skyline. The balcony is pretty great too, and I love how you can't really hear too much of downtown unless you're on the outside of the apartment. The door is pretty well sealed, and you really can't hear outside noise when you're inside the apartment. Now getting into the bedroom, this room is pretty spacious. You can fit a queen or a king size bed. The bathroom also has 2 entrances, so you can access it from the living room or the bedroom, and if you have any guests, they're not having to go through your bedroom to get to the bathroom. This is the view from your bed. It's pretty breathtaking, and the bathroom area does not disappoint either. There's a lot of counter space, lots of places to store things in the cabinets and drawers underneath the vanity. The shower includes a bathtub, and you can store bath products in the shelf on the wall. I like that the tile is gray because that makes it really easy to clean. This room has a huge double door walk-in closet, and it has a lot of space to store all your clothes and shoes. Something that I also noticed about this unit is that all the lights are on a dimmable switch, so if you want to set the ambiance when your friends come over, you can definitely do that. Other amenities in this building include trash chutes on each floor, so you never have to go downstairs to throw your trash out. There's also a private sky club, which if you're wondering what that is, it's basically where all the fancy amenities are located. This entire area is under construction and remodeling right now. I spoke to the property staff and they let me know that this is going to be up and running before summer 2021. I've been here before all this remodeling, and I can tell you just from personal experience, this is actually a really amazing place to be. There are multiple rooftop pools, barbecue grills, and lots of areas to socialize, maybe read a book or relax. The gym is also in this sky club, and there's 2 sides, one for cardio and one is the weight room. The rent in this building varies, but for the unit we looked at, the price per month is $2,575 per month. That does not include utilities. Those are charged separately depending on your usage. This unit and building will be perfect for someone who's looking to live in a high-rise in downtown. The rent is on the higher end of things here in Dallas, but if you're wanting to live right in the middle of downtown in a luxury high-rise apartment, this is gonna be the price range just because things are really expensive down here. Alright, that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give this video a like and leave a comment down below. Let me know what other content you'd like to see, and I will see you in my next upload. Alright, bye-bye.